pushed by a breeze. Just leave me your story.